at the Lima Fireworks Factory in Sivakasi, and I have with me the partner of this company, Madan Devendran. Thank you for joining us, Madan. Madan, you're also a chemical engineer, and I think this will be the most apt question to put forward to you. Barium nitrate has been banned in any of these manufacturing of firecrackers, and what do you think is the scientific reason behind it? And do you make sense of it? Because most of the manufacturers here have been saying that that is a very bad idea to, remove barium nitrate.
Yeah, it's very true that barium total injustice to the industry barium ban, because barium now the common man think that barium is something like a cyanide or something like that. No, barium nitrate is something very much ordinary like a sodium chloride salt, a table salt, which in excess taken ingested is not good for health, any salt, any chemicals. But barium, it is there in water, it's there in vegetables, and it's there in all the fruit, vegetables grown under the soil. In any industrial emissions it's there. Even in breast milk barium is there. Even in our drinking water barium is there. I just want to remind you why this barium was banned. Barium was banned saying that in Delhi, just note the point, it is only in Delhi that 35 micrograms was there in 2017 Diwali, and so they said that this is 9 times above ambient level and they banned barium. But I would like to say that there is no ambient level described in India for barium. According to them, they say that 4 is the ambient level, but there nowhere in India, any environmental law or anywhere in Gazette of India, it's mentioned 4, and they had banned that 35 micrograms is there. Okay, now coming to the point, in an average drinking water, 1 liter of water, according to Indian standards, 700 micrograms of barium is allowed, and according in Indian standards 1200 micrograms of barium is allowed. The ban is for 35 micrograms, so you're drinking 700 micrograms daily. So you think it's a correct idea of banning barium? Definitely it's they need some reason to ban fireworks. It is like you can make idli, you can make dosa, you should not use rice. So they are indirectly meaning that you should not make fireworks.
And there's also this study of IIT Kanpur that has recently come out, which says that 0.01% is what the pollution contribution of fireworks is. And how do you see this? Because you have your team of people have been continuously talking about how this is the 19th contributor, but what happens to the rest of the contributions? And even in Delhi, when we see there are 18 other parameters which are big there. So most of you had been talking about why Diwali is being used as a target area.
Last year Delhi celebrated Diwali without fireworks, and still the air pollution was worse than the day before. So it is now very clear that fireworks is not at all a cause for pollution, and we have a clear report of IIT that fireworks contributes less than 0.01%. And only that all these pollution debates and everything start during Diwali. And what happened to the rest of the 360 days or 64 days? Why are that environment activities coming, and what are the other steps they have taken other than recommending to ban fireworks? Have they stopped using AC in their home? Have they stopped using plastics? Fireworks is just a one-day affair, and according to Supreme Court, you can burst fireworks for 2 hours. So you burst fireworks 2 hours, whatever the effect is created by the fireworks, it is getting back to normal in 12 hours. So we are like last year in Chennai, they said that we have some good smoke because of fireworks. The day next to Diwali, and it was all clear. So in 12 hours, everything comes back to normal. So this just an one-day affair. Why all these environmental activities, all these politicians, they want to create a drama and they want to publicize themselves and take an advertisement for themselves and say that ban fireworks. So you ban fireworks, the pollution is gone. What about the things which is happening for the rest of 362 days?
And we're also talking about the industry in whole. We're seeing that a lot of the laborers have also started migrating to other industries or illegal sectors. The reason being that the uncertainty that has been caused for 8 years, you guys have been having court battles going on, and even now a clear future is not being thrown at you.
Yeah, actually, still the court order is not clear that how do people manufacture green fireworks. Only the well-educated people know how to make green fireworks. So we have no problem making green fireworks. But there are still so many factories, they doesn't know what is green fireworks, how to make green fireworks. So they don't know how to make. Then they want to. They are reduce the work have come down. The production have come down this year because of the labor shortage. Why the labor shortage means many people, families are shifted to other industries like we have spinning mills nearby, we have Tripuris nearby. So they have shifted their entire family because uncertainty. They don't know when they will ban fireworks, when the fireworks production is going to stop, because the court has not now clear order is in the court. And then other thing is, see, the organized factory like us, we are making only green fireworks, and we have some problems in manufacturing, like 24-35% cannot be manufactured without barium. So that sector is manufactured in now like the illegal sector, which is like in unauthorized places, unauthorized homes, and everywhere they are manufacturing. So they are giving such banned items. They are manufacturing, they are giving with higher coolie, higher salaries. So these some percentage of workers have shifted to either to illegal manufacturing, or either they are shifted away from Sivakasi. So it's like another thing is the firecrackers. Almost 1.5 lakh people are directly involved in the manufacturing of firecracker, which is banned in by the according to the Supreme Court. So they, it's a skillful job. People who manufacture firecracker, they don't know to make any other product. They can only make firecracker for the entire year. So they are almost, maybe some have gone to the illegal sector, but most of them are jobless now. So either they want to shift to other cities, and they definitely don't want the next generation of people to come and work in fireworks industry. So this is a very big challenge. Sivakasi is looking at what will be after 5 years. Who will be here to work? It's a very big question.
When you're talking about almost 1 lakh plus people losing jobs, that is specifically because of barium nitrate being banned, and also is it because of the chain crackers being banned? Because chain cracker also used to invest in a lot of human work, skilled labor to get through to that end product. So can you tell us about that also?
No, 1.5 lakhs workers I'm saying only because of the fire chain crackers. And because without barium, I think up to April, many were very doubtful how to make without barium. Many people were zapped. What are how do they formulate formulas without barium? Yeah, we do. Organized factories are making, because we have well educated. See, I am a chemical engineer, so now the next generation educated entrepreneurs are coming in. So they are trying different formulas, and we have started. But there are still some people who are not that much educated about these formulas. They still follow the foreman's ideas. They don't know how to manufacture without barium. So that, I think, that also we can calculate as a percentage. 1.5 workers directly for firecrackers. Very simple. And that, I think, almost half of the industry was, they don't know how to make up to April.
And can you also talk about this chain crackers, because that has been seen as a big villain when it comes to the pollution it creates, the sound levels it creates. Many people were even in fact, a study in Pune had stated that one set of long chain crackers is almost equivalent to 494 cigarettes smoked.
Chain crackers, I will come to this 420 cigarettes later. First, I will just want to justify the firecrackers. Firecrackers are made only with waste paper and mud. No plastic in it, and nothing poisonous in it. So everything, once the firecracker is burst, all the papers left over is biodegradable. Either after a rain or 1 week or time, it goes in the soil, and that it's totally by paper. So it's 100% paper, 100% natural. No other plastics or no other undegradable materials used. Second, the point is 125 decibel, the Supreme Court order for the sound level. So we were making firecrackers only up to 125 decibels, according to the Supreme Court earlier order. So the noise standard is maintained. So we make only biodegradable product, and the new concept is NEERI has given a formula for improved green firecrackers, where the air emission has also come down by 86%. We have certificates for that. So when all these factors are there, why do you ban it? 86%. So air emission has come down by 86%. Only where biodegradable material is used. We are manufactured 125 decibel. 95 decibel is the road traffic sound. So we have manufactured 125 decibel according to Supreme Court order. So you ban it. And coming to the 424 or whatever the cigarette is. So see, everything you burn 1 ton of paper. How much cigarette? we can calculate, but nobody burns 1 ton of cigarette, 1 ton of paper daily. So fireworks is used just one day for 2 hours. Why are you comparing to 420 cigarettes? So it is. What about the other factors like other emissions due to the industry or thermal power plants, which is a daily affair? How many cigarettes then? Are they ready to stop that and go down without any power, saying that this is this much of cigarette? This is a one-day affair for 2 hours. Why are you comparing it to? This is not, or this 423 cigarettes is not done every day. One day, 2 hours, not a big deal. So we are telling again that only we are just a 0.01% of the contributor. Why are you targeting us? What are the other efforts taken for the other 99.9%? No effort is taken. All these environmental activities think, or they want to propaganda that, they want to get advertised. Stop fireworks, pollution is gone. No. Because nowhere in the world barium is banned, nowhere in the world chain cracker is banned.
And also finally coming to the topic of exporting of crackers, that is also a huge market which is possible for Indian market, because right now China is the only competitor. They almost occupy 90% of the world's production of firecrackers. In that sense, what are the difficulties, challenges that Indian markets have, and when you create products for the foreign market, again, will this barium nitrate be an issue then?
No, barium nitrate is definitely not an issue in the foreign market, because nowhere in the world barium is banned. We have now lot of inquiries pouring in because of our good government, Modi ji's government supporting the exports and Made in India program. We have a lot of fireworks order coming in because we have now a good competition to China. We can make good fireworks here to the world. But unfortunately, due to the export of transportation of fireworks in the mother cargo, the transit charge and the freight charges are high. We are having that hiccup. If that is cleared by the government, and we need another Sivakasi to manufacture only export products. So barium, when our foreign friends, we said that barium is banned, and they laughed. Why do you ban barium? Because they know scientifically that barium is not a thing to be banned. Anywhere in the world, barium is not a problem. We can send any product with barium to entire world.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot for joining us. We really hope that at least this Diwali, you have a better opportunity in the market and not see similar bans like what you had faced in the previous years. With camera person Daniel from Sivakasi, this is Akshanath for India Today.